Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BCEI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where that green line annotation is coming from. And want to get things updated here as the price has really kind of outlined just a very kind of in-your-face level as far as the chart is concerned, and we'll get to that here in a second. But the first thing I want to do is update and this is based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched yesterday's video. But if you did, hopefully remember me talking about that pink line, the 200 period simple moving average as resistance. You can see it kept knocking down the price. But today, during the opening 30 minutes, the price got above it, and then the remainder of the day maintained above it. So the new ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can continue to hold up above the pink line like it did today, then that would make the chart look extremely, extremely powerful. But if the price does drop below it, I'm not sitting here saying that everything's ruined at that point in time. That would just be the ideal situation. The must-hold level, for the reasons I discussed in yesterday's video, so I'm not going to rehash any of those today, down here at $1.10. If you're curious on why $1.10 is so important, you can go back and watch the video from January 4th. But like I said, the price is now way up there, so I'm not going to reiterate and beat that dead horse again. So again, best case scenario, $1.45, which is the current value of that 200 period simple moving average. If that doesn't hold, then you still have $1.10 down there. Now, earlier I talked about this kind of in-your-face line, this in-your-face point, and that's where this level of resistance comes into play. And maybe you already see it, but it's right here at this area, and we'll call it $1.62. Seems pretty random, but I mean, multiple times, I'm not going to count the numerous, the times today, but just time and time again today, the price tried to get up through that level and couldn't do it. So, I mean, you look right here and just the price kept bumping its head up at that level over and over and over again. So for whatever reason, as random as it seems, whether you want to call it $1.62 or $1.63 or $1.61, point being right up here in this area of the chart, there are some sellers, and until those sellers are cleared out of the way, apparently that's going to be kind of that stubborn area for the bulls. But all in all, another good solid day. We'll see if the bulls can fight through that $1.62 area tomorrow. But at the end of the day, as always, as long as the price keeps on putting in these higher lows, the long-term chart's going to eventually take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.